Alright, what is good, y'all? So today I had a little tutorial video for y'all. So I thought I'd make a video on how to properly remove your GPU. So let's just make it quick. Before you do anything, you want to make sure that you disconnect your PC properly. There's a way to do it. I don't really know how to, so I just don't care. You guys can see the ring light on here on the case. And you can probably see the scratches, but fuck it. So when you get a PC, you want to buy one of these little kits. Just screws. So these are always helpful to have. These aren't for PCs, but there are kits out there for PCs. Either way, it doesn't matter. You really just need a screwdriver. So you pick one of those screws for the pieces right here on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right here, you have like a few screws here. So actually before that, you want to disconnect the little pins here. You want to pull those off. Make sure your GPU is not hot, it's cool. So once you pull the pins off, set it aside. And then you want to start unscrewing the screws on the left side of the case. So you pick one, put that in, and then start unscrewing. So I think all cases are different, but this is usually the case for most of these cases. You get it? No? Okay, fine. Just keep going. Alright, so once all the screws are off, you want to pull the piece off that holds all the things together right here. You want to pop that off and you put it down. So when you're ready to take the GPU out, there's a little pin right behind here. I'll show you guys right now. We gotta use two hands for this. So once you press the pin down and you pull up slowly, then your GPU will just pop right off. And then you grab it, and then you just wedge it out. And then you basically just pull it off like that. So that's like just a quick tutorial. If you guys wanna know how to pull off your RAM, you got two little buttons right here that you just push down on. You don't want to break it either, you just want to push down on. And it'll pop off, and then you just pull up, and then that's it. You also have these little pins here, this little gap right here. And then you also have a gap right here on your motherboard. Right here, this little gap. So that's how you know which way to angle it. This bottom pin right here, you don't got to worry about, you can just leave that there. So you line it up together, just line it up, and then you push down. Once you hear that click, then you're good to go. And it goes the same for this one. Just like that, see how it pops in? Just like that, and you're all good to go. So if you have two RAM slots, you want to put it in the second slot and the fourth slot. If you have 4 RAM sticks, then you put it in every single slot and you're good to go.